Well, here in Ohio, voters in Bellefontaine will not be voting on whether to ban drag shows in public after all. In a unanimous decision, the Ohio Supreme Court ruled a proposed ordinance banning public drag shows within city limits will not be on the November ballot. 10 TV's Doug Petcash got reaction from members of the drag community about Sunday's court ruling.
I talked to drag queens Reese S. Pieces and Blonde Vanity, who have connections to the drag community in Bellefontaine. They call this a temporary victory because they say the fight will go on.
Even if, we don't hear anything for a while, we still have to continue to, be visible, be present, and continue to, display this art form and show that it's not a crime.
And to take it a step further, I don't think that all drag is inherently adult entertainment only. It's just like stand-up comedy. There's stand-up comedy specials on Netflix that are for all ages, just like there are for adult only. It's just the way that you interpret the art form.
The proposed ordinance would have prohibited all adult cabaret performances from being performed on public property or in any location where a minor could see them within the city. Nearly 800 people signed a petition to put the measure on the November ballot. In its ruling Sunday, the Supreme Court wrote the Secretary of State and Logan County Board of Elections abused their discretion and disregarded the law in overruling relators' protest. The relators mentioned are a group who challenged the petitions because language on them had been changed after signatures were gathered. The court agreed and also said Secretary of State Frank LaRose misconstrued the group's protest in making a tie-breaking vote of the County Board of Elections and saying the new petition language explains what the ordinance would do should it pass.
A spokesperson for the Secretary of State says the Secretary of State's office will follow the court order as required by law. Outside the state Supreme Court in downtown Columbus, Doug Petcash, 10 TV News.